I thought we'd never get back.
Not all of us did. But he'll get better now. We all will.
Come talk if you want.
All right. Fresh air. Hey.
Oh, hey. How do you feel?
You first.
Just like... after a strange dream. Yeah, a terrible one. But I couldn't wake up until I dreamt it.
Changed.
Reborn. Almost.
There's a home ahead now, Lucas. Will you come with us?
Well, I think... you and Hugo are my home, so... yes.
We're glad to have you with us. How's the view?
It's nice.
What's on your mind?
Do you think I'm different?
Well, I don't know. Are you hungry?
Huh? Yes.
Well, still the same.
I feel different. Things feel different.
It's called growing up, Hugo. Some things just make it go faster.
Yes?
Yes. But we'll slow things down from now on. We'll take all the time we need.
I can't wait to be in the mountain.
Soon. Very soon. We're going home, Hugo. Our home.
Yes.
Passed out? Stay there. You don't want to wake up after this. Trust me. Hey.
Slept well?
I woke up thinking I was dead.
I know that one. What will you do now?
My mother... she had a house. An old house in the mountains. I promised him a chance to be happy. That's where we'll get it.
Sounds nice.
You'll always be welcome there. I know you don't like heights.
Hey, people change.
Amicia, come see.
Hey, what's going on?
Is he fine?
Who knows? How about we ask him directly?
All right? Are you alive?
What do you think?
Dead people don't talk.
Good catch. Hey. I'm sorry for... well... everything. Thank you for getting your sister to help me. You saved me.
Look who finally decided to be nice.
Don't make me regret it.
The war's over, Arno. We've all earned a rest. You should try it too. Hey! Shit! Damn, the Count.
It's coming fast.
You see? That's the thing with war. You don't get to decide when it's over.
No, this can't be happening!
Go inside, Hugo.
The
It'll be
mainsail!
safer.
Keep steering! Wheel hoisted! Amicia, up here, with me!
Coming!
Others?
Don't manage. Stay inside the...
And the rope on the other side!
Come on, faster!
That bastard couldn't let go!
We have to lose them! No, they board us! Done! Good!
They're still closing the distance.
No, no! What now? Turn the sail to the wind! We need a better
I'll give you some slack while you pull it towards you.
Yes! We have no right to bail this, Arno!
We won't!
It's working! We're picking up speed!
But it won't be enough.
We're
They're
too
coming.
heavy! Throw some cargo overboard!
On it. Ha! Give me a hand, Amicia.
Coming! Archers!
Heads down, everyone!
Clean up here, Amicia! Quick!
I'll handle the cargo. Go!
Right! Hold on, I'm coming!
You really thought you could leave with my child?
He's not your child, you lunatic!
Don't hurt the child! Kill him!
You heard the count. Shoot!
Yeah! Go to hell! All of you! No, no! Don't die now! They're going to ram us! No! No! Amicia! No, no, no! Focus!
Amicia! Amicia! What's going on? Oh, no. They fell overboard! Get up, Amicia!
Lucas! Sophia! No!
Come on, I'll cut you all to pieces!
There's too many, Arno!
Not if there are two of us.
Coming!
Take that boat for the Count of Provence! Come here, Victor! Don't be a coward!
You're mistaking strategy for cowardice!
Took you long enough.
Piss off! I've got more surprises for you!
Kill that man!
Enjoying seeing your men die, Victor!
Focus on her!
We must
I'll leave the
hold
artist to
Arno!
you, don't worry! I won't rest until this bastard's dead! Come on!
No! Focus!
I'll dance on your corpses!
The boat is done, Arno!
We'll take theirs! You'll never get the boy! You hear me?
This is where our war for tomorrow begins!
There will be no tomorrow for anyone! No! We can do this!
Keep coming! I'll spill your guts to see until it turns red! Back the child!
No! Focus! How many are there?
They're less and less. That's all that matters.
Oh no! There's too many! We won't make it! Hold! Just a bit more! Go away!
Yes, keep going.
It's almost over, Hugo! Take...
Come, Amicia!
Stay inside!
Shoot!
No! Amicia, no! Amicia! Amicia! You killed her!
Hugo, come with me. Hugo, come here.
Sorry, child. The rats can't help you here.
No.
Such a fragile little thing.
All right, you've won. Don't hurt him.
Hurt him? He's Emily's son. My son. He's a god.
He's our doom, Victor. You need to let him go. To his sister.
No. I owe this to Emily. With her, I tried so hard to believe this world wasn't just blood and war. that I could throw a blanket over these flames. But the truth is, people like us, we are born to feed that fire.
Whatever you're planning with him, it won't work. He will destroy you.
He'll destroy what I tell him to. We'll set this world aflame. And I'll forge an empire from that fire. A more righteous one.
It's not over, you coward! You owe me blood!
I paid that price already. Now my son needs to rest. Finish this!